Oh, hello. I just wanted to take a minute to share some information with you about pop-up domination. Pop-up domination is a really unique tool for marketing. You can use it on articles, your website, on blogs, even in archive files and comments. And what pop-up domination does, it's that little box that pops up when people have been on your website and maybe gone through 2 or 3 pages on your website and haven't committed or haven't signed into your website or subscribed to it, or they may not have seen it because a lot of people in this day and age are in a big hurry to get through the websites and gather as much information quickly as they can. So what pop-up domination does is it comes on and people put in their information in there. It just brings it to their attention, and we found that pop-up domination will increase your sales from about 7 to 10% when you're using it, as opposed to not using any pop-up domination. Or when they're getting ready to leave your website and they haven't signed into anything, it'll come on at the very end, or you can have it come on in the middle, whatever you want to do. But when they're getting ready to leave, it'll come on at the end and hopefully remind them to say, hey, you forgot to subscribe to the site. And it's really nice to be able to loop back in those customers that you normally wouldn't receive. So simply click the link below to get more information on pop-up domination, and I think you'll really enjoy it. Thank you.